I'm actually in Washington, D.C. this week for a conference, but one of the things that I really love to do while I'm at home is to make lunches for my family. I have a husband, and then I also have a 13, almost 14-year-old daughter and a 10-year-old son. And so one of the things that I like to do when I'm home and not traveling is to make sure that they have lunches to take to school and work that they like and that are fairly healthy and nutritious and are gonna fill them up for the day. I do try and pack my kids' lunch every day. My husband, I pack his lunch, I would say about half the time, and the other half of the time he goes out for lunch. So let's get started and I will show you some lunchbox ideas for my husband and kids this week. Happy Tuesday. This is what I have for Connor's lunch today. So he's got a Yum Box. I can link this one down below, and he's got some cut up apples, an orange that I peeled, some Ritz crackers, and then some Colby Jack cheese and turkey sticks, some sliced cucumber, and then these are a few of these Nutella cookies. They're new, they're really good if you can find them. And then he's got a Capri Sun, and these are the lunch boxes I use for the kids. I really like them. We have used them for a long time. They hold up super well. I just get them on Amazon, so I can link these down below as well. And this is what I've got for Kira for her lunch today. She's got a Capri Sun. This is some popcorn that I picked up. I think I got it at Walmart. It's the Rob's Backstage popcorn. This is a barbecue flavored one. Hopefully she likes it. We haven't tried it yet. She's got a Smucker's Uncrustable Chobani Flip. This is the red velvet cupcake, some cucumbers, and a applesauce squeeze pouch. So here is what Adam's gonna take for work today. I made up these snack boxes this weekend with just some stuff that we had on hand. So there's crackers in here, and then this is some of the white cheddar cheese from Walmart that's pre-sliced, some turkey sticks from Walmart that I sliced up, and then a mandarin orange. And then I also cut up a pineapple yesterday. It's very ripe and sweet. So, and then a can of soup. So he's got like a hot box at work where they can just warm stuff up right in the can. So this is a Campbell's chunky smoked turkey with white and wild rice. I thought that looked good. Some crackers to go with the soup, and then a Power Crunch bar. These are one of my favorite types of protein bars. I don't like this flavor quite as much. It's okay, but I like some of the other ones better. They're around 200 calories with 12 to 13 grams of protein. Good morning. For Connor, I have one of these pepperoni pizza Lunchables, and then I also peeled 2 cutie oranges for him. I normally do try to peel them for the kids if I have time, because it makes it easier to eat and they don't get that much time for lunch. I also have a little bag of Ruffles, and then he's got Go-Go Squeeze applesauce, these Oh Snap pickles. These are the Light and Fit protein yogurt smoothies. They're low sugar and they're really good. And then a Capri Sun Roaring Waters. For Kira's lunch today, I made her one of these cheese raviolis. These are in the frozen section at Walmart. So I just heat it up in the microwave, and then I put some hot water in the thermos, some boiling water, just to heat it up. I let it sit in there for about 5 minutes, pour the water out, and then I put the hot food in it. I also have a couple cutie oranges that I peeled, some applesauce, a cheese stick, and some Nutter Butters, and a Capri Sun. Let's talk about the things to keep on hand to pack lunches when you absolutely have zero time in the morning. I try to have my you-know-what together as much as possible, but there are some days of the week when I just oversleep or I don't have anything prepped, and so I really need, fast things to pull out of the fridge and put together the kids' lunches in the morning. I just wanted to show you kind of here what I packed for today. I was in a rush, and so I did not even have time to film a proper video. Basically, I just took a picture of everything that I added into the kids' lunch boxes. I have some Uncrustables. Those are something that I always keep in the freezer, especially because I travel a lot for work. I find that they're just super convenient for the kids to be able to take out of the freezer and put into their lunch boxes. Yogurt is another thing I always keep on hand. Connor always likes the kind with like the mix-ins, and so you can see here that I have the, I think it's like the Yo Crunch. It's basically like a healthier, lower calorie, lower sugar version of the Chobani Flips. It's the cookies and cream kind. Kira likes plain yogurt, so I get her the Great Value fruit yogurt. I have a couple of cheese sticks. I always include those when I give the kids PB&J just for a little bit of extra protein. Connor likes Colby Jack, Kira likes sharp cheddar. I have a couple of the Capri Sun Roaring Waters juice pouches. I buy these because they are lower in sugar. They're actually just flavored water, they're not juice. One of the Sunbelt peanut butter chocolate chip granola bars. I wouldn't say this is healthy, but it's a good lunchbox treat. And then I also have some of the Thrive Market fruit circles. If you guys have never tried Thrive Market for like snacks and lunchbox snacks for your kids, they have a ton of great options. So I'll link their site down below with a coupon code. I think you get like $40 off your first order if you use my code. Not sponsored. I've just been ordering from them from a long time and I love them. A couple bags of Cheez-Its, and then some of the Go-Go Squeeze applesauce pouches. And then I added a banana for Connor for good measure. So these are just some of the things that I keep on hand to make packing lunches super easy. Welcome to Monday. So on the screen here, you can see Connor's lunch. Basically, I made him a PB&J on just some regular white bread with regular peanut butter and jelly. He is like super picky about lunch meat. I don't know what it is. Like, he does like bologna sandwiches, which I buy sometimes, but then he gets weird about like turkey meat and ham meat, and I don't know. You guys know how kids are. It's like a struggle every single day. So I decided to do a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for him. I really like to get the fun size bags, or like the not travel, just like the individual sized packages of the Lay's chips at Walmart. Are chips healthy? No, but do I like having them in the individual packages, not just for portion control for myself if I want to have a pack with my wrap for lunch, or for the kids. Like, it's just super convenient. I also packed a Go-Go Squeeze applesauce for him along with a Colby Jack cheese stick. He really loves the Oh Snap pickles. These come in like individual bags and they are a little bit pricey. The cheapest place that I found them is Aldi, if you're interested in getting some of those. But to me, it's worth it because it's obviously just like a veggie. It's like cucumbers, right? Cucumbers are pickles. So if I can pack him something like that that he likes and likes to eat for lunch, I'm on board with it. So I packed him a bag of that. And then I like to get the chocolate and vanilla pudding for my kids' lunch boxes, but I make sure I get the sugar-free kind, the Jell-O brand, and then I also got a Capri Sun Roaring Waters. So that was something super easy for him on this day. And then for Kira, I decided to make her some frozen lo mein noodles. This is like a frozen dinner that I had had on hand for a while in the freezer, and I wanted to get it used up. Kira, if you don't know, is a pescatarian. She is my 13, almost 14-year-old daughter, and so it is a little bit of a challenge now. Like, I used to be able to make her like turkey sandwiches and ham sandwiches and things like that, but now I have to be a little bit more creative when I pack her lunches. And so one of the great things that I like to do is just buy frozen food or frozen dinners that she likes, and then I can quickly heat those up in the morning and put them in a thermos for her. So this particular thermos, I don't know if I have the exact link to this one, but I'll find a similar one and link it down below. I really like it because it's a larger quantity, so you can fit like a whole frozen meal in there, especially for older kids that are taking their lunch to school and they don't have access to a microwave. Sometimes I'll do like taco meat for Connor. He likes to take like walking tacos to school lunch and stuff like that. So I have the veggie lo mein noodles for her, along with the Go-Go Squeeze applesauce and the flavored water and the cheese stick. For Connor's lunch this morning, I'm using this Yum Box. So I can link this down below. I've got some fruit salad here. This is mandarin oranges and blueberries and strawberries. I've got a hard-boiled egg that I just seasoned with salt. And then I've got some cherry tomatoes along with some mozzarella pearls, and then some little mini Oreos, Ritz crackers, and then some turkey pepperoni, and then I've got a Capri Sun. For Kira, probably throw something else in her lunchbox, maybe a protein bar or an applesauce or a yogurt or something. But I made her a bagel sandwich. So this is basically just a bagel that I toasted lightly and put blueberry cream cheese in. I've made bagels for her for lunch before. She really likes them. Some cheddar cheese, some fruit salad, and a Capri Sun. So Adam needs to take lunch today, so I whipped him up some leftovers real quick. And this bowl is just some Spanish rice and some pinto beans that I made last night, and then some leftover grilled like tequila lime flavored chicken. So it's just got some cheese on top of it, basically like a burrito bowl. And then along with that, I'm giving him some salsa, some sour cream, some Doritos, and then I just prepped some fruit in this bowl right here. So raspberries, blackberries, and some mandarin oranges. I hope you got some ideas for your own kids' lunches for this video. Let me know if you like this type of video. I actually started on YouTube like 5 years ago posting videos like this. My kids were younger at that time, so I could do more of like the cutesy lunches. But if this is something you enjoy, I can definitely film these every week while I'm at home. Thanks for being here. I know that you guys have a lot of choices about who you watch on YouTube, and so I always appreciate it when you come here and spend some time with me and watch my videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And again, let me know down below if you want to see more lunches, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.